What up, everybody? Those who are new to the channel, my name is Omar, live from Too Fast Too Fit. First thing I need you to do to all the videos, I need you to like and subscribe if you are new here. So today, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing my new emblems that I have for my 2014 Dodge Charger RT, which I just recently got. Those who are new to the channel, this is a new car for me. Recently upgrading from the V6, which is the one you see over there. I'll show you that later. But first, we're going to do one of the first upgrades. This might be the second upgrade. We're going to be changing the emblems out. I have new emblems that we're going to be replacing. So we're going to be taking these out and installing the new ones. So I'm going to show you how I did that. And all the new badges and the tools that we're going to use to replace. So I have the newly purchased 345 Hemi badges. Thought these are cool because they're black with the red lining, so it's really gonna go good with the car, I think. Then I got the Hemi black with the red lining. These are okay. It could have been a little bit better quality, but we're gonna go ahead and install them anyway, just because I'm excited to see what it looks like. All right. Then I got the black with the red RT, which is gonna look badass. Not quite sure yet where I'm gonna install these yet. I really wanted to install them on the side, but who knows, I may put it on the back of the car. You guys let me know what you guys think. I got some super glue here. I don't know why I have that, because most of the stuff has adhesives on the black. Then I have a No Cry heat gun that I bought off of Amazon for about $20, which they recently sent. Comes with all these nice components, I guess, so you can scrape off the old emblems or whatever you're going to use it for. So it's pretty good for $20. Then you have instructions here, which I'm probably not going to use because, just not going to use them. Okay, even though I should. I have a spatula just in case I need it. I have spatula, whatever the hell you call it, you know what it is. Okay, and then I have some bug tar. All right, the reason why I'm going to use this is for when I take off the old emblem. Hopefully it would help me to get some of that rest of that residue off, and so I can get everything clean and nice and clear before I install them. Okay, so let's get this thing started and let's have some fun. So we're going to be starting with the side badges first. I'm going to give you guys a look around so you can see a full look at the car before I get started, so you can see what it looks like before and after. I recently got tint done. I'll show you the video of that. It wasn't the greatest experience, but I did get the tint done. I say it came out half decent considering what I wanted and what I got, but we'll talk about that later. So I'm going to be installing the new badges. We're going to be taking that RT off. We're going to get rid of the charger, all of that. Yep, and this is pretty much what the car looks like. I'm going to keep it on 1. First time I had it on high. So I want to make sure I'm doing this. I don't cause any damage to the paint. It's a pretty smooth transaction. It's coming off nice. It's coming off nice. There she goes. She's off. That fall on the ground. She's off. Okay, let's get the rest of it off. Keep it on light. You really don't have to worry about this, but I'm just doing it. Alright, who gives a fuck? I don't think it's gonna get any better. If I do any more, then they're gonna fuck the paint up. Scrape it lightly. Do it too much. Just don't want it too rough. Emblems we're about to install. Okay, so now they have on the back, you peel off the back, but I actually bought some adhesive that I got from AutoZone for about $2-3 or $5, in between $3 and $6 it costs. Pretty much just try to line it up with the old one. There it was. Yeah, I should get it. Want to be careful with this shit, cause yeah, man, it fucking stinks like a motherfucker. As soon as you put it on, it's only like bonding and shit. This shit off. A little bit. It's already got adhesive on there, but I'm just putting a little bit extra on there just cause. Give it a little bit of reinforcements. Really don't trust the shit that's on there. Hopefully this shit will last. Let's see. Let's get that 5 on it. Okay, we got the 5 on it. Looks good. Okay. Looks pretty good. Pretty darn good. Let's use that heat gun, see if we can dry it faster. Alright, so the car is done now. You can see the finished job. 345 on the side, you see what it is. Let's go with those red brakes. So you guys can see the finished product. I'm actually not done. I got to do the charger. Thinking about taking that off. I might just completely take it off. That's what I really want to do. But I don't know if it's going to be as smooth when I take it off. But I mean, either I'm going to take it off or I'm going to black it out. Let you guys know what you think about it. What should I do? Should I take it off or should I black it out?